In favor of the classic OG characters, I'm gonna pick Blood of the Dead. Because I feel like that's pretty interesting. So let's jump into that one.
You give us the fire, we'll give them hell.
Do not speak so lightly of hell.
Easy, Tech. I didn't mean the real thing.
Gentlemen, we are here. Where have you taken us? They should be closer to the lab. No matter. This way, if you please. You're late. Doctor? Doctor? Is there a problem? Two for each of them. Survival depends on it. Yeah. You'll remember. So much to do. A vessel for Maxis. The opening of the gateways. Are you sure you're not getting confused? You'll be needing this. The chronorium. But I've already read it. Read it again. What is the meaning of this? The pages have changed. They... Our blood. My blood. You cannot possibly expect me to let this happen. You son of a bitch!
Let me guess. You're not gonna let us in on what that was about.
Or explain why you have people in freezer.
We are leaving.
So, да, конечно.
Asshole.
There! Get to the portal! Now! Scheiße.
I will be reborn.
My God. What have I done?
Move it, Doc.
I will say I'm kind of confused. Alright, so we've got
Change its mind.
that lab.
And now it wants what? Our blood?
Of course. We all heard the doctor. Fate now demands our blood as well.
Snap, there's an area down here.
I forget how frustrating.
So we've got 3 doors to go through. So we're gonna take the... Okay, so we can't go there. We can go here. I bet that unlocks the same door over there. They're both 1,000. Okay, quick revive. Costs 2,000. Oh, so the power is like instant. Okay. Wicked. So now that the power's back on, we can go up here. That door should be open. Right?
Enough waiting. We go straight into lava. Move on.
Gee whiz. This is wild. Holy shit. This is really fast paced.
I do not usually pick swords. I think I understand how it works. Son, Rodney!
Holy crap.
You should be shot!
This DT5 weapon is ready. Rick Coffin truly outdid himself this time.
This is interesting. Oh, good lord. What? What the hell? That's odd.
Power cut. Hell pigs everywhere.
I'm just confused.
Almost fair fight.
Never mind the power or that fool warden. The entrance is just ahead.
Oh shit. This is chaotic as hell. I feel like this is something you should open like once you're already kind of ready for it. Oh shit.
My spirits, I beseech you, refill my day.
Yeah, so this is like an area that goes on even when the round's over.
Nikolai need ammo. Made it. Come now.
Okay, I wonder how different it is. I guess not very. Wait, the warden's here? Shit. Oh, I'm scared.
So help me.
Oh, good lord.
Those smoke bombs down your throat. Straight up your.
All the doors are open. West grounds? The hell? Jesus Christ. Hello.
Another hand.
I would like that ICR.
Time to go looking.
Oh my gosh, east side. What the hell?
In pockets. Pockets are.
Oh yeah, it's downstairs. Friends?
Ah, he's not fair.
Shit. Power? Okay. Oh, shit balls.
How does this man?
Where's he going?
Oh, hit him again.
Alright, we're taking the door.
But just for the record, we are not trapped, James. We're simply confined to one place. It's our will. But it's not permanent.
Not permanent.
Promise.
Pinky promise.
Without head.
Something about that sounds wrong.
Crappy pony holes.
Same with 5. It's pretty much just remastered.
Water under the bridge.
Come on, brother. Let's go. Get in.
Are we all here?
Oh, you're a whole dummy. Okay, so the roof's open. What the Alright, there's no plane anymore. So it says no one escapes alive. So does that mean we have to be in a state of death like we were in the other one? So we keep having these damn electrical things. It just leads me to believe that we have to shock ourselves. I'm shook. Warden's house? Oh, shitballs. What the hell? Okay. So that's new.
Where are you, Warden? Hiding behind your nice curtains, eh?
Interesting. I wish my teammates would have followed me here because I feel like I'm about to die. Yeah, it's not here anymore. So why do we have parts? Oh, I haven't traveled here yet. Oh, railway. Okay. Okay, cool.
I am a Russian soldier. Shoot us out the hole of hell.
Oh yeah, I remember
Stomach strong as iron.
Oh shit. 1,000? Shit, it's gonna be tough. Oh shit. Where am I at? Okay, got 2,000. I'm going. Shit! Pick me up. You can do it. I feel like I'm about to die. Brother, help! Help! Help!
Well, that looks potentially devastating.
You dick! You let me die! I think you teabagged me. Oh my gosh.
Richtofen, I know your plan's probably way...
Wait, why do I still have my weapon? Alright, that's it. That's enough. I'm gonna be picking my brains. I'm actually gonna do some research and see, like, I'm sure there are videos out there of, like, what to do and how to do it. Any users, that's it for me, for now. I've got a couple things to edit, and I'm gonna put those up soon, so. I'll get you guys later. Oh!
We don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck.